Here are some of the cool features you'll find at the back of the 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz. First up, it has built-in steps on each side of the bumper. You get a dampened tailgate. There's a built-in tonneau cover. On both sides, you get these slidable cleats to help tie stuff down. Using a button in the front, you can turn on these 3 LED lights. There's a little storage area on each side. And this side also gives you a household outlet. The bed is made of a composite material, so it will not dent or rust. And under the bed, you have a hidden storage area that also gives you a built-in drain plug.